This is Andy with QualityStocks. Today's Thursday, March 24th, 2011, and today we're going to take a look at EFLN. This is a pink sheet company trading under ticker EFLN. This chart just has a very nice look to it. You can see it's rolling upward, holding a nice firm trend line. Golden cross of the 50 through the 200-day moving average. Closed up about 10% yesterday, 9.5 million shares traded. This is going on the watch list, see if it's going to hold this support level and continue to make a move upward. Long-term uptrend in the MACD, that's nice to see, continues to make higher highs. Has a channel sort of look to it. Coming down near the lower side of that channel, looking like it's getting ready to make a bullish cross. So that's in a nice position for this to try and make the cross and roll up back to the north side of the channel. Very similar look to the PPO. Did have a hard time making a higher high, so that's something to pay attention to. But overall, still in a pretty nice uptrend. The ADX is a little bit mixed. You can see the positive DI is moving upward, but the ADX itself is coming back down. It's still in an okay position to try and turn and roll. I'd say it's something to keep an eye on to make sure this isn't going to lose too much steam in the direction. MFIs, pretty good separation. 7 now breaking back up towards the 14 and 21. Trending over 50, that's bullish. That's what we want to see. But again, we don't want to see this get down too far. These longer terms really need to hold over top of 50. They're getting the slightest downtrend to them. Again, still not in a bad position. Still in bull chart territory. But just quick little nuances and quick little notes, things to see. Accumulation distribution, trying to make some higher highs. Of course, we'll want to see it come through this area. Roll off of this, make a new high, continue the uptrend. Jake and money flow dipped down below zero. Buying and selling pressure, though, is still somewhat equal. CCI trying to make higher highs, holding the upper half of the indicator. Break of 100 is what CCI followers are on lookout for. Starting to move that direction. Full stow certainly retraced, turning, giving hints of starting to put together some positive momentum. Trick still in an overall uptrend. Much like the PPO, it had a difficult time making a much higher high. It's a slight bit higher. I'm a bit skeptical about that because it is up around -2. I want to see this roll pretty quickly and make its turn. I don't want to see this start trending down and start making lower lows. The RSIs, however, are in a great position, all three together, holding over top of 50, very bullish. Being that this is a sub-penny play, it's one you need to keep your eyes on closely to hold support levels. There's a very nice trend line that it's holding. Nice looking rounded bottom that it moved out of. And it looks like it's making another one right through here. That's what caught my eye about it. The indicators leave me in a little bit of a more neutral position, but the candles look very nice. I like the uptrend. I want to see this hold this 0009 as the worst case scenario. At that point, it's pushing my parameters of a 10% stop loss, but it should pick up pretty good support there. Even more if it dips all the way down to 008. But I'd be getting a little bit skeptical if this is trading at 0012 and all of a sudden it starts pounding on 0008 as to what's going on with the selling pressure. So right now I'd have a close eye on 0009. On the upside, resistance is definitely kind of staggered through here. 0012 where it is, certainly there's a little bit more at 13. I think the 0014 area all the way up to 0016 is where things are going to start to get really stiff for the stock. It's going to take considerable buying pressure. You're going to need to see volume pick back up more into these levels. 9.5 million shares is not the worst in the world, but it's not a terribly high dollar amount either when it's trading so close to 000. So I have my eye on it for volume to come in. I want to see it close above 014. See several times it's hit it and not really spent much time above 012. Pulled right back down, pulled right back down, pulled right back down. It's had a tough time with it. So a move above 012 and some buying pressure come in. I think it'll catch the eyes of more technical traders because it does have a pretty nice look. It'll roll some of these indicators a little bit more and turn it. And it'll reinforce the idea that this stock's going to continue to channel uphill. So I think that the EFLN chart is certainly worthy of hitting the watch list to see how it performs over the next few days. If it can hold the support, take out resistance. As always, merely my interpretation of the EFLN chart. This is Andy with QualityStocks. Thank you for watching and trade smart.